Cbse Class 5. Science. Air and water. The atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere does not allow harsh rays and light of the sun to fall on the Earth. During night, this atmosphere does not allow the heat to escape. Ozone. Ozone is the uppermost layer of the Earth which protects us from harmful rays of the sun. If these rays enter the Earth, it could cause skin and eye problems and harm plants. When meteors in space comes towards the Earth by the force of gravity, it can cause heavy damage to Earth, but because of ozone, they burn and fall as a dust. Layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere is around 300 kilometers thick. It can be divided into 4 layers. Troposphere. It is nearest and densest to the Earth. Weather changes takes place on this layer. Living things can breathe comfortably in this layer. As we go higher, this layer thins as oxygen level decreases. Stratosphere. Here the air is very thin. Planes fly in this layer to avoid weather disturbances. Ozone layer is a part of stratosphere. Ionosphere. This is the 3rd layer. It helps radios to work, so it is very important for us. Exosphere. Here the air is very thin. Air molecules even drift off into space. Air is a mixture of gases. 78% of air is nitrogen. 21% of air is oxygen, need for respiration and burning things. 1% of air include other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone, etc. Other things in air. Water vapor. The amount of water vapor vary. In coastal areas, the amount of water vapor is high. And wherever it rains, the water vapor content increases. This amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. In high humidity we feel sweats and uncomfortable. Dust and smoke. It depends on place to place. The more the dust and smoke, the more polluted the air gets. Air. Air takes up space. Try and push empty glass into the water. You cannot do it. This is because the space in glass is actually air. If you tilt the glass a little, the air escapes, and so the water enters it, so the escape air has created space for water. This proves that air takes up space. Air has weight. Balance 2 air balloons on a stick. Hold the stick from the center. When you prick one balloon, this end will go up. The other balloon becomes heavier, and will go down. This proves that air has weight. Air is need for burning. Cover a lighted candle with a jar. After a little while, candle will go off. Here we have cut the air supply in the jar, so that is the reason why the candle went off. This proves air is needed for burning. Air pressure. Air exerts pressure in all directions. Air exerts pressure. Take a glass full of water without any air. Cover it with the thick card. Put your hand over the card, and quickly invert it. You will see that water does not fall, because air presses the card upwards. Air presses down. While using a straw, we suck the air inside the straw. It means air pressure inside the straw has become low. And air outside the straw is pressing the liquid down. This forces the liquid to travel up the straw and then into your mouth. Where there is more air, there is more air pressure. So the air pressure is greatest on the ground. Dropper works because of the air pressure. Doctor fills a syringe with the help of the air pressure. Water. Water is important to all living things. The substances that make water unfit for consumption are called impurities. Harmful impurities of water have to be removed to make it fit for drinking. Sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration are used for removing insoluble impurities of water. Distillation is used to remove soluble impurities. Chlorine is added to kill germs and help to make the water safe for drinking. Sedimentation, the process in which insoluble impurities settle to the bottom of the liquid to form sediments. Example: obtaining clear water from muddy water. Decantation, decantation is the process of gently pouring clear liquid into another beaker without disturbing the sediments. Filtration, the process by which very fine insoluble solids can be separated from a liquid-solid mixture by passing it through a suitable porous material like filter paper. The liquid obtained after filtration is called filtrate. Example: tea filtered using a strainer. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.